Is the Ornexis EMS plate really the life-changing solution it claims to be, or just another overpriced gadget? I've dug deep into customer reviews, return policies, and the real origins of this device, so you don't have to waste your hard-earned cash. First up, let's talk about the return policy. Ornexis advertises a flashy 100-day satisfaction guarantee, but here's the catch. Dozens of customers say that when they try to get their money back, they're met with endless emails and offered partial refunds instead of a full return. So much for risk-free. Next, let's look at where this EMS plate is really coming from. Many buyers report it arrives in cheap, basic packaging shipped straight from China, despite claims of a more premium origin. In fact, if you search on AliExpress, you'll find identical-looking EMS foot mats for a fraction of the Ornexis price. The only real difference? The logo, and sometimes, the price tag is tripled. Or worse. What about customer support? Well, don't hold your breath. Reports of shipping delays, defective products, and ignored complaints are everywhere. Some people wait months for a plate that barely works, or worse, smells like chemicals right out of the box. So, how do you spot a legit EMS device? Start by checking Trustpilot. Ornexis and its sister brand Ornexis both sit at a shaky 2.9 stars, with review after review shouting, "Scam." Do a reverse image search. You'll see Ornexis's product pictures are used all over generic wellness sites, not just theirs. Here's the bottom line. EMS technology can help with circulation, but when it comes to Ornexis, you're mostly paying for slick marketing and empty promises.